Lily. Hi, guys. Oh, my goodness. I have a barking puppy. Let me squirt her with some water. Okay. So I have, I have a package from ProWorld, Transpiro mug today. I think it's my mug press, so I'm very excited. Woo! And we're going to open it. Go ahead and open that and see what it looks like. I know, right? This is how I open my boxes. Sorry. Hi. Can you see him? Hi, dude. That's my little dog. One of my little dogs you can see there. Okay. So this is it. It comes with a little guides. Important. Do not discard a carton for packing materials. Must be used to be if you return. Okay. So this is one of the mug sizes. 1, 2, 3. Let's put that right there. Oh, that's my little Lily. Hi, Lily. Say hi to the people. Very curious puppy. She's the barking one. This is the bigger one. I'm guessing for, I don't know, the water tumblers. And the machine. Woo-woo! A party. Ooh. Can you see in there? Okay. Oh, wow. It's very nice. Cool on it. It looks good, right? Good. Wow. Just like this. And of course, here's the cord. And that's Dude. Hi, Dude. Dude and Lily. The Dude. Wow. Look at that. I'm going to have to try it out and see how it works. But okay, so you plug the thing right here, obviously. Just like in the picture. Hey, baby. Oh, thank you. Help, Mama. All right. Woohoo! So excited to start printing some mugs. Thanks, guys. Bye.